Welcome to Hollywood! Nandito na po tayo sa Hollywood. So, ipapasyal ko po kayo at you just need to sit back and relax and get ready with all your snacks and your drinks. Papasyal po tayo ngayon dito sa Hollywood. Hollywood is one of the famous city in the US. At kilalang kilala po ang Hollywood sa buong mundo. At ito po ay talagang dinadayo po ng mga turista. Kaya ngayon po ay papasyal po tayo dito sa Hollywood. Ayan po, nandito po kami sa corner ng Hollywood and Vermont. As we go further, makikita nyo po ang famous Chinese Theater, ang Hollywood Walk of Fame, at doon po ay ipapakita ko po sa inyo, bababa po ako and I will going to show you guys what is Hollywood. Napakaganda po ito, talagang mag-enjoy po talaga kayo sa ating pamamasyal na to. So, mag-relax lamang po kayo at makikita ninyo ang Hollywood. Finally po, parang kasama na rin namin kayo rito sa kotse at namamasyal po tayo. Okay, so we are going to make a left turn dito sa Hollywood. Okay, kung mapapansin po ninyo, ang lane po dito ay iisa na lang. Dati po yan, 2 lane po ang kalsada dito. Kasi po, ang ginawa po nila, naglagay po ang city ng bike lanes. Kasi sa dami po ng mga nagbabike dito, so they provided, ayan po yung mga nasa gilid na yan, those are bike lanes. So yan pong bike lanes na yan, dati po yan, daanan po yan ng sasakyan. Pero ngayon, kinonvert po ng city into a bike lanes. Kasi yun nga, maraming tao dito ang mahilig magbike. Okay, siguro yung mga nagwo-work, na malapit lang ang kanilang trabaho dito sa kanilang tinitiran, para hindi na sila gumamit ng kanilang mga kotse. Okay, so kaya mapapansin nga ninyo, talagang lumiit talaga po ang daanan. Siguro po pagka rush hours dito, talagang traffic, especially in the morning. Rush hours in the morning is 8 o'clock po, at sa hapon po naman around 4 o'clock. Yung pasukan ng mga nag-oopisina, nag-ieskwela, 8 o'clock and 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock in the afternoon naman ang labasan. Kaya dito talagang napaka-traffic during the rush hour. So ayan po, ito po ang Hollywood Boulevard. At ayan po, makikita nyo, meron pong mga businesses. Ayan, yung iba po dyan, alam po ba ninyo, matatagal na po yan, yung mga businesses na yan. At napakarami din po ditong mga apartment. Makikita nyo po ang style ng mga apartment dito. Iba-iba rin, katulad kahapon, if you guys remembered, pinasyal ko kayo sa Los Angeles. Doon sa may Rosewood, nakita ninyo ang style ng mga apartment. Okay, so dito, comparing po doon sa mga renta doon, medyo mahal po dito ang renta ng mga apartment. Kung mapapansin po ninyo, yung buong street na yan, hanggang dun po sa dulo, puro po business yan. Meron grocery, meron pong mga toy store, meron po mga Hollywood pets, dogs and cat supplies. Ayan po, So, lumiit po talaga ang daan na dito, no? Lumiit talaga ang street dito. Okay, the famous Thai patio, one of our favorite, that's a Thai patio. And there is a Thai barbecue, paborito din po namin yan. Ito po ay combination ng shopping center at condominium. Condominium po yung nasa itaas niyan. So we are now at the corner of Western and Hollywood. Itong building na nasa corner na yan, nako, napakatagal na pong na building yan. That is one of the oldest building here in Hollywood. Ayan po, ayan yung mga building na yan. Ayan. At ito po, yung sa corner na yan, yun sa corner sa left side is a metro station. Train station, right? It's a train station.
Subway.
It's a subway. Nakita nyo po yung mga magagandang buildings na yan? Mga apartment po yan. Alam nyo po ba na ang renta po rito, average rent po ha, for a studio type is 2,100. Average po yan. Talagang napakamahal po rito ng renta dito sa Hollywood kasi it's a famous destinations. Okay, at ang one bedroom apartment po dito, average rent will start from 2,100. Ang mahal po, no? At ang two bedroom apartment ay $3,100. Talagang magugulat po kayo sa presyo, ano? Grabe. Pero magtataka kayo, napakarami rin po na nagre-renta kasi talagang kailangan po marami pa rin pong nagre-rent and most of those apartment are actually occupied. Bibihira lang po na mabakante. So, nandito tayo sa corner ng Wilton and Hollywood. Ayan po ang regular bus. Para po sa mga hindi nagda-drive, ayaw mag-drive, tinatamad mag-drive, or yung mga hindi marunong mag-drive po, ayan, they take the bus to actually save gas. Okay, at kung malapit lang naman ang mga trabaho nila, they don't need to drive at nagbabasa lamang po sila. At ang mga bus po rito hindi pwede basta-bastang hihinto kung saan kayo bababa. There is a designated bus stop. So let's say ang inyong pinapasukan ay 2 blocks sa bababaan ninyo, so maglalakad kayo ng 2 blocks. Ganun po ang mga bus dito. Hindi katulad po dyan sa atin, ang mga bus kahit saan po pwedeng mag-stop. Diba? Kung saan ka bababa, doon mag-i-stop yung bus. Dito po, no, there is a designated bus stop. Ganun po dito. Ayan po. So, gusto lamang makita ninyo ang Hollywood Boulevard. So, katulad po ng mga fake news na lumalabas, na nawala na raw po, nasunog ang Hollywood. Here it is. It's alive and kicking. Nakita nyo yan? Ayan ang Toyota. That's a dealer. It's a car dealer. Nakita nyo mga inventory nila. Napakadami po. Gusto ko lamang mag-enjoy kayo sa ating pamamasyal ngayon. Yan pong mga building na yan, that building is actually an apartment building. That's the famous Pantages Theater. Yan po ang sikat na Pantages Theater. talagang mga matatagag na at mga matatandang building na po na talagang siguro that's since maybe the 60s. So we are now at the corner of Vine and Hollywood. Kita niyo yung building na yan. Ni-renovate lang po yan, pero matagal na rin pong building yan. It's an apartment building. Medyo na traffic lang ng konti dito kasi may ginagawa po sila dito sa gitna ng kalsada. So, nandito po tayo sa corner ng Cahuenga and Hollywood. Mapapansin nyo po may mga stars. Ayan po. Sa lalakaran yan po ang Hollywood Walk of Fame. So Hollywood is still here. It's still intact. Las Palmas and Hollywood. Museum of Illusions. Ripley's Believe It or Not. Okay guys, so nandito ako sa corner ng Hollywood and Highland. Kung mapapansin ninyo, yan pong mga taong yan po ay tatawid. Pero kakaiba po rito ha, kasi meron po kaming tinatawag dito na crosswalk. Crosswalk meaning pwedeng tumawid na papunta doon sa Ripley's Believe It or Not. Pwedeng papunta dito sa kabilang street. Pwedeng papunta doon. So, it's a crosswalk. Dito lang po yan makikita sa Hollywood. Ayan po. So, hintayin po natin ang mga tao po tatawid at makikita nyo po kung paano po at ano po ang aking sinasabi. So, they are just waiting for the light to turn green. At ayan po, makikita po natin. Ayan, nakita nyo, meron tumatawid na papunta doon. Meron tumatawid na papunta doon sa kabila. At meron ding tumatawid na papunta doon. So, this is what we call crosswalk. Yan po ang tinatawag na crosswalk. Ayan po. Okay guys, so lalakad ngayon tayo rito. Ayan, nakita nyo ba yan? Ang Hollywood Walk of Fame. Ayan po. Sino ba ang paborito nyong artist? Siguradong nandito ang mga favorite artists niyo. Dito po meron po mga vendors na katulad niyan. Talagang nagtitinda po sila diyan. So ito ang Hollywood Walk of Fame. Ayan po. Alam niyo po ba, ito po palang Hollywood Walk of Fame ay para po mailagay ang pangalan ng mga famous artists, ay they need to submit an application. Hindi po basta-bastang mailalagay ang pangalan dyan, ano? Ganito po ang proseso. They need to submit an application, pay $250 for the application, at depende rin po kung mapipili sila. So, upon selection, magbabayad po sila, kung sila po ang napili, ha? Magbabayad po sila ng $7,500 as a sponsorship at kasama na rin po ang maintenance. Kumbaga, maintenance nitong stars na to. Okay? Kasi syempre, no, kailangan naman i-maintain to. Hindi naman po pwede na pagka nailagay yung pangalan nila, that's it. That ends there. No, it doesn't end there. So, ewan ko kung meron kayo. Here is one of the favorite star. Ayan po. Alam niyo po ba na meron po akong picture dyan? That was a long time ago when we visited this place. Ayan, Donald Trump. At ayan po ang mga vendors. They sell different stuff. They sell t-shirts and baseball cap. Okay. And ito, meron ditong mall. Pagka gusto po ninyong mag-shopping, there is the mall here. Ayan po. Talagang napakaganda po dito. Talagang malilibang po talaga kayo dito pagka kayo dito namamasyal, especially at night. Kasi talagang sa gabi po dito, talagang you will see a lot of tourists here. At there's the El Capitan. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo. That's the El Capitan. That's a theater, a famous theater. At ito pong bus na to, this is the Hollywood official sightseeing tour bus. Ayan po, yung mga tourists po, they have to pay, like, I'm not sure how much they have to pay na, kasi dati po $75. So this will go around Hollywood, at some cities in Beverly Hills, and kung saan po makarating yan, I think it's about like an hour or 2 hours tour sa city, sa buong city po ng Hollywood. So, ayan, kaya let's go around para makita ninyo. Ayan, may mga vendors dyan. Ayan, allowed ng city yan na magtinda po sila dyan. Okay? So, ito, nakita niyo yan, Drive Me. Ayan, pwedeng i-rent po yan. Pwedeng i-rent $109, no deposit. Wow, ganda po, no? I think that's a Jaguar. Yeah, okay. So, mga souvenirs, andyan ang mga souvenirs. Ayan, Hollywood Walk of Fame, Antonio Banderas. Look. Antonio Banderas. Alam niyo po ba na ang pinaka-famous or most visited na star dito sa Hollywood, dito sa Walk of Fame, ay si Marilyn Monroe? O, nagulat kayo, ano? That's the most visited star dito sa Hollywood Walk of Fame. Ayan. So, here's the Walgreens. And there's the Dolby Theater. That's a Dolby Theater. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ang Tesla. Pink Tesla. Pink Tesla. Guys, tignan nyo to. This is, ano po yan, you can rent that one. Starting at $27 service fee. Drive it at $139 for 20 minutes. Wow, pink Tesla. Hello!
Hello, how you doing?
Good. Nice car. You know, people here are really, really nice. So, yeah, they are just, you know, nice and they're very, you know, approachable. At yun nga, sa ngayon po, wala pang masyadong tao dito. Kasi, ano, that's a Hard Rock Cafe. Okay. Wala pa pong masyadong tao dito kasi, ano lang, it's Wednesday. At, hello there. How are you doing?
How you doing?
Good, thank you. Say hi to my followers.
Yup, hi to all our followers. What's your name?
Alicia.
Alicia, shout out to Alicia.
Yeah.
Yup, we out here doing it big in Hollywood.
Yes.
If you ain't getting no money, then you acting funny.
Yes.
Please excuse the miserableness because that mean that that's not really your friends.
Yes.
You want her to be miserable with y'all? Nope. That's where she at.
Oh.
In Hollywood.
Yes.
Doing the most good. And she getting her money and she got good spirit. Guess what?
Yes.
Can't nothing stop that.
Exactly.
My name is Young Blizzard. Blizzard _ Billionaire Blizzard.
Don't forget that.
At Instagram Yande.
Thank
and then
you
you
so
can
much,
find
brother.
me anywhere after that. I'm
Yes.
on all major platforms.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, brother.
But it's a shout out to you though.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So yeah, you know, they're just nice here. This is a famous Dolby Theater. That's a Dolby Theater. Okay, so let's go around. And I wanted you guys to see the Chinese theater, so we're gonna go there. And
Hello, Mama.
let's see. Hello
Thank you,
there.
baby. That's for you, baby. Happy New Year.
Oh.
It matches your outfit.
Oh.
Yeah, put that on live. And are you on live right now?
I'm not on live, but yeah.
Let me show it to him, lady. This what
Yes.
you got. This what she got. You know, this beautiful lady Queen had got that. If you see her outfit, turn her outfit so they get to see your outfit.
Yes.
Let them
Oh,
see your
yeah.
outfit.
They already saw my outfit
They
a
already
while
see her
ago.
outfit. They know it match her. She's the best. You understand what I'm saying? She putting an interview on me. I'm live. I'm
Thank
Keno.
you so much,
That's
brother.
well, look, sweetheart.
Yeah.
That's my manager for Compton.
All
He's
right.
from Compton. Come put them on interview.
Yes.
Look at the Queen.
Hey.
She on
Hello.
live. She got the album.
Yes.
Show your album. You feel
Yes.
me? Let them
Hello,
know you
people.
gonna go.
So
Boom.
don't forget that, okay? We gotta
That 10
support
give that,
them,
give her
guys.
one.
Thank
She
you,
wanna
brother.
Support. And ma'am, this is my manager. Can you get a donation to him?
Yeah, donation.
Yes.
I'll give you some donation.
I got it right here. She gonna give donation.
Okay, so I'm gonna give some donation. Some donation.
Hold on. Take that.
Oh wow,
That's
thank
for
you.
him, and do one for me. That's for him.
Thank
do one
you,
for
baby.
me.
Have a
one
good
for me.
day. Have
One
a
for
good
me.
day. This
No,
is-
one for me. That was for
Okay,
him.
That's for
okay.
me. Yes.
No,
No,
that's it.
No,
This
one
for
for
me.
me.
Huh?
One for me, please. Thank
Oh
you.
my gosh.
Yes, you bad. You
All
is the
right,
queen.
okay,
You is
okay.
glorious.
All right.
God bless you, baby.
Have a good day,
Thank
okay?
you. What's your name?
Alicia,
I'm Keno. I'll make sure I get your Instagram on the way back.
subscribe to my channel.
God bless you. 2025 is your year.
Bye-bye. All right, so this is how it is here in Hollywood. And these are the souvenirs. Oh, no. No, I already. Thank you, thank you.
That's reggae. I don't care what you give for me. Smoke.
No, no more. That's it. I don't have any more. No. Thank you. You know, this is how it is here in Hollywood. They would give you something and then they would ask for, you know, that's fine. I mean, that's how they actually make money. So let's go around and I hope you guys are enjoying the video. And these are the shirt and hoodies. Wow, that's on sale, $9.99. That's so cheap. That's so cheap. All right, so here's Mickey. I want you guys to meet Mickey. And hey,
from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines. Kumusta?
Mabuti.
Mabuti.
Oh, wow.
Salamat.
Look at Mickey and Spider-Man.
Hi.
Hello, everyone.
Good. Take a photo together.
Yeah, well, let me just finish this one and then we'll take a photo. Okay, so this is Chinese theater. This is a famous Chinese theater. There.
Big strong boy.
Alright. Guys, this is so famous. So, these are all the... Hello! Yeah, you know, every time you guys, every time I come in here, I would see different people wearing different costumes. So, it's just fun to be, you know, visiting Hollywood. So, look, souvenirs is just $5, so it's on sale. It's on sale right now. Look at that sweatshirt, that's really cheap.
What's up, sweetheart?
Los Angeles,
Need any souvenirs
$5.
today? All $5. Okay?
Wow, great, okay.
There you go, baby.
Thank you. Okay, so this is...
Feel free to check out the
So
other store, but don't pay
$5 sale sweatshirt. Nice.
For you, $4.99.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
I got you, girl.
Thank you.
You enjoy your day, okay?
Yes, you too. Thank you. Look at the Hollywood Walk of Fame. All right. So I hope you guys are enjoying our tour. And this is the souvenirs store. So more souvenirs and never end souvenirs here in Hollywood. Eddie Murphy, one of the favorite. Okay, so this is the other side. I actually walk on that side. So right now we are driving, and this is we're gonna head back. At gusto ko lang po ipakita sa inyo, ito po yung El Capitana. This is one of the famous theater here sa Hollywood. So sana po ay nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating Hollywood tour. So yung sinasabi nila, wala na ang Hollywood. Ito, Hollywood is alive and kicking. Ayan po, sa gabi po yan talagang masayang masaya po dito. Dahil usually sa gabi naglalabasan yung mga turista. Ayan ang famous Ripley's Believe It or Not. At well, talaga namang napagod po ako sa totoo lang. Pero enjoy po kasi talagang iba po yung talagang maglalakad at ipapakita po sa inyo ang Hollywood. So we are actually heading back. At marami pong salamat sa inyong panonood. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo. So until then, thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye!